We had two friends come round the other night for dinner. We had mussels. Hello there and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Anita and I'm a Dutch-Kiwi. Anyway, one friend bought the wine and the other one bought ice cream. And it was a lovely ice cream, vanilla, pistache nuts. But I've got the container and it's empty. And I have other friends coming for dinner, husband and wife. And I'm going to try this recipe. I saw it online and I'm going to try this recipe, see if it works. And then I won't have to go and buy ice cream, but I'll have some of my own. So I have got 1 can of peaches. I have a can of condensed milk. And I have thick cream. And that's apparently all I need to use. So, you know what? I'm going to give this a go. So it won't take long to make. It's just a case of beat and eat. I think I've got to freeze it though. Okay, so here we go. 1 can of peaches. Now I don't need them all straight away, but I do need to drain them. And I'm going to take a couple out, which I will chop up and put back in once I finish mixing the rest. So I'll just take a couple and put them aside. They're nice big ones. Oh, 2 bits will do. That'll do. I'll just pop those aside. And now I need to squish these. It's a bit noisy, but hey. Now I'm just going to pour this into a jug for now because I'll need the bowl. Now, it's good that I'm testing this out. There are 2 recipes, and one is with condensed milk, which I've got, but I've also got sweetened condensed milk, and it's a bit thicker, and I'm actually going to use this, and then in a couple of days' time, I might just try out the other milk and see what that's like. So, here we go. This one's got sugar added, so it'll probably be a bit sweet, but that's okay. Who cares? It's just a trial, and I love playing in the kitchen. Have you checked out my playlist? There's so many recipes there, and some are fun, some are serious, some are dinners. So have a look at that playlist. I'll put the link up there somewhere. I will. And you know the drill by now? Take the label off the can and put it in your paper recycle. Okay, can opener please. Here's the condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. There we go, take it off. And the can will also go to recycle. Now I'm just going to whip the cream, or the milk, the condensed milk up a bit to get it light and fluffy, and then I'll be adding the peaches. Oh, block your ears for the noise. Transferring now into this bowl so that I can whip the cream in this one. Right, in goes the cream. Down goes the beater. Here's the clip. All done. Okay, now, while you weren't watching, I took the bottoms out and I flattened them for in the recycle bin. And I have chopped those 2 halves, ready to go in. The cream is ready. The mixture with the peaches is ready. So now all I have to do is combine. Do a gentle mix. Don't want to beat it around too much. Okay. Got to get everything out that bowl and take the cream off the side and do a gentle until there's no more white. Adding the pieces. Right, mix them around. Oh, that'll be nice. It's time to pour. In fact, I think I need 2 containers, so I've just grabbed the other one that I had from the dinner the other day when other friends came round, and see how I go. Oh, wonderful. Fancy having 2 of these lovely containers full with your own ice cream. I always do, well, nearly always do. It's all about the taste. So I am going to take a little bit of unfrozen ice cream and let you know. You know, I thought it would be sweeter. Oh, I had a little piece of peach as well. Oh, yummy. I had my doubts about using the sweetened condensed milk, but I have to say it's less sweet than I thought because the peaches I had weren't sweetened, so I guess that balanced it out. But anyway, I won't dip my spoon in there again because that would be unhygienic, but I'm pleased, and I'm going to make room in my freezer because it's pretty full. Time for me to close this one off and tell you, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go on. It doesn't cost anything. And every now and then you might just come across something on my channel that you think, oh, I'm so pleased I watched that. So lovely to have you on the team. Bye for now, and happy eating. It's Monday morning and it's coffee time. The washing's on the line, bathroom's clean, bed's made, and after my coffee, I'm going to test that ice cream that I made yesterday. So see you shortly. Here I am. Are you ready for this? I know I am. I know it's only early in the day, but oh, I just want to have a taste. Here are my 2 containers. Now no, there's no pistachio in there or pecan caramel. I've just reused the containers. So get the lid off. Ooh, oh, this one was a bit crooked in the freezer, I think. The freezer's pretty full. Oh, this one's nice and flat. Well, they look pretty good. I might just take a scoop of this one. Oh, it's hard. Oh, it's real hard. Maybe this is the sort of ice cream you just need to take out of the freezer for 10 minutes before you serve it. So this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to have to scrape some out of this one too. Yep, this is just as hard. Of course it is. I won't take as much. Here we go. Now, I'm just going to leave those because I'm going to try that. So, here's my spoon. And here is my ice cream. And here is the ultimate taste test. Let's have a, it is a wee bit on the hardish side. Well, it's not like ice. It is creamy, but it obviously can do with taking out of the freezer a little while before you use it. So here we go. Oh, I'd love this on a cone. And you could just lick it to death and it won't dribble everywhere. Yum. Worth making. And like I said earlier, it's not overly sweet, but that helps because of the peaches. They were, you know, sometimes you can look at for the right brand and the peaches won't be sweetened. Oh, I'm not going to eat all. Well, I will, but I won't on camera, of course. But I'll just show you my empty plate. This is really nice, and I'm going to time the ice cream to see when it's slightly easier rollable. It wasn't too bad, but you want to do an ordinary scoop. So I'll see you again shortly. See how it's already looking quite melty on the plate, and it's now just perfect for eating. So I tell you what, 5 minutes out the freezer before you scoop roll it. Not too long, of course, but oh, it is delicious. I haven't looked at whether it's cost effective to make it yourself. I'd have to go back and have a look at what my can of peaches cost, what the condensed milk cost, and of course the cream. But there's nothing like making your own ice cream. How yummy is that? To the last scrape. Thanks for watching. For more recipes, go check my channel and check my playlist. Bye for now.